Come over to the passenger side of the vehicle, open the door, go ahead and open the glove box, and then kind of squeeze in on the sides and then push down. Here we just have two little hooks, and here underneath there's a little plastic cover. You push downward on this hook and repeat that to the other side. So here there's this hook we push downward on, and these two you kind of push inward and then pull it backwards. Then we can unplug the ECU on the top of each clip. You push down on the tab in the middle and pull it straight backwards. Then let's remove these two 10mm screws. So grab a 10mm socket and an extension. Now this will simply come out. You kind of just pull it forward. There's this little rubber metal grommet back here. And here you have your Denso and your Toyota part number.